Jesus Christ was not trying to create followers. I see this a lot, and I hear this from a lot of people who follow and adhere to religious advice. He was trying to create people like him. He was saying, be like me. Christ consciousness. This is the new earth. This is what we are all trying to obtain on this spiritual path. Here's the trick. Obtaining this is realizing your true nature. That's it. Complete awareness. Use the meditation in the description that I provided. It's free. It's free. It'll change your life. It will help you find that internal, neutral, centered space. This is where we begin to create the life we desire. Everything, the beliefs we have, all that thinking, all that bullshit, it does not matter when you go in and you relieve yourself through absolute awareness. Do that and your life will change. I freaking guarantee it.